Okay, let's talk about one more example. So I've got carbon over here, and we can see, if you have a look at carbon on your periodic table, so here's carbon over here on the right hand side. It's got 6 available electrons, so let's go fill those in. So we've got 6, remember here are just my potential spaces, so let's fill this in. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is carbon, right? So if you think about it, we have potentially this space, this space, this space, and this space to fill. So if you look at a compound like methane, methane has the chemical formula CH4. I wonder if you can draw this compound in terms of the electron configuration. Pause the video and have a go yourself. Okay, did you get this? Well, if you think about hydrogens, I'm going to draw with little X's over here. Okay, here's a hydrogen, just unstable, not happy, needs to complete the other shell. So what it can do is, if I redraw this, you can have hydrogen appearing over here. It can then fill that space. So let's just erase this and draw this a little bit better. So that electron then, this hydrogen is slotting in over here. It's sharing the one electron from the carbon. Okay, so this electron is going to be buzzing around here. This one's going to be buzzing around here. This hydrogen's going to be very happy because it's filled its outer electrons. Okay, but this carbon is not quite happy because it's got 3 other spots, and you guessed it, other hydrogen atoms are going to come and slot in to these potential spots. So you've got hydrogen coming here, filling that spot, a hydrogen coming here, filling that spot, and another hydrogen over here, filling that spot. Beautiful. So this is another example of a covalent bond, because we're sharing electrons here, we're sharing electrons here, and we're sharing electrons over here. Okay, so this would be your example of another covalent bond. Okay, so there are 3 other electrons that hydrogen is now sharing with the carbon atom. Okay, so it will form, in fact, it will form 4 covalent bonds. So if you had a look at this in another way, we could have carbon like this in the middle. It would form a covalent bond with the hydrogen. This is the covalent bond I'm talking about over here. It would form another one, this one here, and form another one down here, and form another one over here. So this is what your methane molecule will look like. And these, remember, these lines are representing covalent bonds. Why covalent bonds? Because they are sharing a pair of electrons. And remember that it's because this atom of hydrogen, the center of that atom, is positively charged and is attracted to this negative pair of electrons. This is why we have the bond forming, is because of this electrostatic force of attraction between those 2 components. And the same thing is happening in this hydrogen atom, this carbon, this hydrogen atom, this carbon, this hydrogen atom, and this carbon. Okay, so that is covalent bonds, and I hope it's been super helpful, and I shall see you. Let's just get back to the screen. There we go. I shall see you next time in the next vid. I hope it's been really, really helpful.